where innovation, craftsmanship, and contemporary design come together at 100% Design to discover the inspiration behind the brand. Explore its beautiful crafted creations and learn what makes Wolkberg one of South Africa's most exciting design studios. Let's dive right in.
Let's get in.
What inspired the creation of Wolkberg?
We, as designers, identified a gap in the market for something new in the kitchen space. We were particularly looking at creating new kitchen countertops made from something more sustainable. So we could see all around us people using natural resources like marble and granite in kitchens without a sustainability plan. And we thought, as designers, surely it should be our job to come up with a new solution. Okay. And we thought, concrete seems easy enough. Let's try. It was not easy. It took about 6 years to R&D, but we got there.
How are we redefining concrete in modern design today?
We didn't just pour concrete into a mold. We designed an entire ecosystem of manufacturing around this innovative material, which has a unique aesthetic. It's called the dimensions aesthetic, and it kind of has live movement and texture on it. We took all of the flaws that you get in concrete and we turned it into features, and we figured out how to do it over and over and over again.
Why is sustainability so important to your brand?
We feel a sense of responsibility. I wanted to always know what's going to happen to the product down the line. I wanted to create a full circle plan on what will happen to the product after it gets to a client. Because we're a new business, to build it into the foundation of the brand, understanding what happens to the product at the end of its life cycle. We don't just look at the product in its inception state. We're always considering the life cycle. For us, sustainability was a key topic when we started off, so it got built into the foundation of the business.
Very lucky, because a lot of clients are going back into the whole process.
Yes.
What makes Wolkberg product so incredibly recognizable?
Yes.
Because you don't find that with any other mosaic.
Yes.
You really don't.
Yeah. The design language is intentional from our side. So I have a team of industrial designers, and we don't just put out product. We design it with the intention that it needs to have that recognizable look. We put a lot of focus and attention on what the tile looks like. That name that I mentioned earlier, the dimension surface, that's our proprietary surface design. And we get that texture on all of our products. You can recognize the movements, and also our color choices is very specific. So we curate our color palette so that it becomes recognizable with our product.
You can use it with anything.
Absolutely.
No matter what. It's timeless. It's a timeless classical piece. Just sitting at the stand this morning, I don't know if you noticed, there was a gentleman holding his Cartier bag. There was a woman with her Gucci bag.
Yes.
And it just blended in
I'm so glad.
to the little black book of beautiful Wolkberg tiles.
I'm so
really
glad.
Flooring, walls, you name it.
Yes.
What a statement. And well done.
I'm so glad to have you as a part of our family. And thank you for interviewing me.
And with Women's Month coming up,
so excited.
you deserve all the credit behind Wolkberg's name.
Thank you so
well
much.
done.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.